Meaning of extenuating.
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 Extenuating. The word extenuating refers to something that lessens the severity or culpability of a situation or action. When an event or circumstance is considered extenuating, it means that there are mitigating factors that make the situation less severe than it would be otherwise. Examples of extenuating circumstances might include issues like mental illness, financial hardship, or other significant life challenges that impact a person's ability to make good decisions or act in a responsible manner. The presence of extenuating circumstances can often be taken into account in legal proceedings or other situations where judgment is being passed.